glutamine, what is it? How can it help? Should it be something you should consider adding to your supplement regimen? So let's get into it. First of all, what is glutamine? Glutamine is a non-essential amino acid, meaning your body can synthesize it from other materials inside the body. However, sometimes glutamine will be described as a conditionally essential amino acid. Now, this means that under times of extreme stress, like dehydration or intense exercise, your body cannot keep up with the demand for glutamine and it becomes conditionally essential. An essential amino acid is one that you have to get from a dietary source. It cannot be synthesized, in this case, fast enough inside the body, which is a big reason I'm going to advocate taking glutamine in your intra-workout supplementation. Here's a couple of reasons why. So glutamine works along with sodium to transport electrolytes into the muscle cells. This adds to cell volumization and cell hydration, so your muscles stay well lubricated and well hydrated. The cellular density not only helps with the pump or you're going to get while you work out, but performance-wise, a well-hydrated muscle is a very well-functioning muscle. Secondly, glutamine increases nitrogen retention and works with amino acids, particularly branched chain amino acids, at improving muscle protein synthesis. Now, glutamine can't do this alone. It's only only acts as an additive, or really a transport agent, to help branched chain amino acids, particularly leucine, to increase mTOR, or protein synthesis, which is like the holy grail of bodybuilding, growing new muscle tissue, and repair. So while some people are going to say glutamine doesn't have any performance benefits, that's true, maybe not on its own, but when you add glutamine to your electrolytes and to your amino acids, you can see some improvements. One study actually showed that glutamine given to a group of athletes who were already taking electrolytes and a glucose supplementation showed more performance markers when dehydrated over athletes given just the glucose and electrolytes alone. Again, proving that glutamine can help these electrolytes and this glucose get into the muscle cells and then improve performance and recovery. So here's how I would take glutamine, how I do take glutamine. So I'd recommend taking about 10 to 15 grams of glutamine as an intra-workout supplement. I would mix that intra-workout supplement with, if your daily allotment of carbs added for it. I'm a huge advocate of taking carbs during a workout, so I would use something like a cyclic dextrin, cluster dextrin type nutrition. If you want to look it up, it has a great product called Glycofeed that is 100% cluster dextrin. I would also add amino acids, perhaps a branched chain amino acid, to that supplementation, because again, glutamine is going to work with those amino acids to increase protein synthesis, speed recovery, improve muscle protein synthesis, and also putting some salt. I'll put this down below in the text, but you want to add some salt for some electrolytes, some nutrient and water transport. Typically about 1/4 a teaspoon. I like to use the pink Himalayan salt, but that 1/4 of a teaspoon is going to be approximately 200 milligrams of salt. So try this. Take your pre-work, or your intra-workout supplementation. Mix a big thing of water, 32, 48, 60 ounce, how many you're going to take. Add your aminos, your electrolytes. Sometimes your amino acids are going to have electrolytes in them. Some type of glucose supplementation, and then add your 10 to 15 grams of glutamine, and then let me know if that improves your performance, or if perhaps you weren't working out hard enough in the first place to notice an improvement from the glutamine. That's it. If you have questions, drop them below.